You know, I've been spending the last week or so taking all the light fixtures down, the trim out, the toilet paper holders, the towel bars, the towel rings, all kinds of different things, shelving, cover plates, getting ready to paint, caulking the walls and stuff, cleaning and all that kind of stuff, taking the doors off. But one way or another, this is going to have to come out sooner or later. So obviously I don't want to start taking this out after I start painting, do I? I don't want any drips on here from the paint on the ceiling, from the walls, and anything like that. Initially I was thinking that I was just going to rip it up and cut it up and throw it in the dumpster, the on-site dumpster. But then I started thinking, you know, why not be a good steward and recycle it if I can and make a few bucks out of it. And so that's why I'm going to take it up first before doing any painting. And I thought I could do painting all day long today up on the second floor, but eventually this has to come out. So why not get it out now? The sooner I get it out, the better, I think. And then that way I can put it on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, and I can have it all stacked out in the garage while I'm painting, and if somebody comes over I can go down and do all that, because time is a wasting on this project. I've got a little over 2 weeks before the flooring guys come back, before the carpet guys come back, and the laminate flooring guys. So I gotta have the whole condo painted. I haven't even picked up the paint roller yet. I've got to paint all the ceilings, all the walls, all the baseboard, all the door frames, all the window stools, and I've already taken the doors off and painted them, and they're all out there curing, drying and stuff. You always want to let those dry for 3 or 4 days before you put the hinges back on, before you install your doorknobs and stuff like that. You don't want to paint those and then the very next day, okay, yeah, they're dry enough to handle with your hands, and then put all the hardware back on. You really don't want to do that, because if you put your hardware on there, your paint's not going to be cured 100%, and then you're going to have a tendency of, when you tighten up your doorknobs, the doorknobs are going to stick to the paint. Not that you care, the next person's going to care, who has to take this out, because it's going to be a pain in the rear to get these out, because the paint's going to be stuck on it. For that, and the hinges, and you try to pop the hinges off sometimes, and then it rips the edge, it rips the back edge and stuff. Yeah, I've seen it happen. There were some doors like that on here that I had to do extra sanding and scraping where the hinge came out. And you know, I made a few episodes of cleaning these doors, sanding the doors, wiping the doors down, sanding all the edges where I needed to. I mean, these are nice, man. These are almost like brand new now. And painting the doors, I did it with a paintbrush and a mini roller, 4-inch mini roller. They turned out really good too. If you want to watch that, you check out my episode on painting doors. Okay, like I said, I've got two or three episodes maybe will be about the doors. We'll see. I haven't edited. Once I edit it, I'll get it up on the channel. It might be 2 episodes, who knows. Okay, so that's my project, and I'm sticking to it today, and I'm not changing my mind. I'm getting this floor up. Gotta take those pictures first. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.